Thank you for finding knockoutcrypto.com. We're on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. You can follow our channel on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button right now. Don't miss out on our latest updates, okay? Hit the subscribe button. 75% of Bitcoin exchanges report suspicious crypto trading volumes. New research adds even more evidence that Bitcoin exchanges are faking volumes on a massive scale. I'm going to say this again. 75% of Bitcoin exchanges report suspicious crypto trading volumes. A site called The Tide released a report today that estimates over 86% of all reported Bitcoin exchange volume is suspicious, while 75% of exchanges report extremely dubious volumes. The research uses a different formula than other reports have. It values each website's visitors and compares that value to the reported figures. Potential fake crypto volumes high across the board. This is a chart that shows the potential crypto volumes that have been faked. It's high across the board. Binance was such a significant outlier in expected volume that it was removed to make the chart more readable. The exchange reported trading volume appears to be genuine. So Binance has appears to have genuine exchange volume. Many Bitcoin exchanges, most notably BitThumb, reported volumes well in excess of what should be expected given their web traffic. For example, BitThumb, which has been the subject of previous investigations, was expected to have a monthly volume of roughly 1.2 billion based on an average visit value of $13,418. Instead, BitThumb reports over 28 billion. This means that the reported volume is nearly 2,000% higher than what would be expected. The Tide introduces the data saying the weighted average trading volume per website visit for Binance, Coinbase Pro, Gemini, Polylinux, and Kraken was selected as a baseline volume per users to calculate expected volume. This amounted to 591 per web visit. BitMEX was not included because it is a futures exchange. This does not account for mobile app or app usage to trade. Web traffic is an assumption for simplicity. Relative outlier detection is quite notable, so the outright number isn't the main objective. The Tide hedges its statements by saying these are potential indications of fake volume. Potential indicators of fake volume. Altcoin exchange Bittrex among the most reliable reporters. Bittrex resists the urge to inflate its crypto trading volumes to attract more customers. Bittrex, one of the world's oldest altcoin exchanges, has one of the best ratings based on these metrics. Their expected volume was much higher than what they actually reported. As a result, the notion that they are faking their volume is far less likely. Bittrex has an expected user value of $138 per visit. Bittrex still did nearly 1 billion in volume for the period studied. It is incredible that this number places it squarely in the lower rung of exchange volume. The factors that contribute to this are crypto exchanges run 24 hours a day, the variety of assets is massive, and the global demand for cryptocurrency is still high. Demand may not be where it was during the bull months of 2017, but Bitcoin traders still find a great deal of profit incentive in the volatile crypto markets. We're currently in alt season according to Hacks.com Maddie Greenspan. Thus, crypto exchanges listing more exotic assets are gaining tremendously. Why real Bitcoin exchange volume matters. Accurate volume reporting is one of the concerns of the SEC in its consideration of a Bitcoin ETF. If every exchange in the world is considered as a part of this metric, we may never reach legitimate status. Fake volume ranks a top concern among traders. High volume attracts more traders. The more volume an exchange has, the more likely you're able to hit your target, supposing that they're not wild. If you want to buy something at a 10% discount, for example, a larger market will have swings in that range. Smaller markets might not have enough trading to satisfy the demands of certain traders. Volume and actual exchange holdings are important too. Higher volume implies there are more money on an exchange. If that volume is fake, traders might experience problems when they expect to be able to do trades over a certain size. The report also ranks exchanges by their volume per visitor. The visitor data is gathered from a third party similar web. No name exchanges fill out the top 10 per visitor reported volume. An exchange called ChioX, which has less than 15,000 visitors, reported a whopping $393,000 per visitor. Either this is strictly a real exchange or no one has heard of, or the volume is fluff. The statistics show that crypto is still very much the wild, wild west. Accurate volume reporting is one of the concerns of the SEC in its consideration of a Bitcoin ETF. If every exchange in the world is considered as a part of this metric, we may never reach legitimate status. So yes, 75% of Bitcoin exchanges report suspicious volume of crypto trading volumes research. So it turns out that Bittrex, Binance, and Coinbase Pro are actually some of the most reliable ones according to this chart. So those would be my top 3, probably Bittrex, Binance, and Coinbase Pro if you were to trade and to get reliable volume for crypto exchanges. Okay, guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Let me know what you think about the article. You can find us on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Don't forget to comment. Go follow us on Twitter as well. A lot of people are following us on Twitter. A lot of my up-to-date posts are on Twitter. Follow me there, okay, guys? Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Signing off.